Condat, National High School, CAT-1. Maangas, Presentasyon, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jean Paul Cebuguero. Corps Commander, Cadet Major Jomel Cuadro, Adjutant. Cadet Major Shelo Roldan, S2. Cadet Major John Kirby Cole, S3. Cadet Major John Lloyd Manlangit, S4. Cadet Major Archie Ordejon, S5. Majorette's Leader, Cadet Private Marilyn Hardin. Band DBC Leader, Cadet Private Joseph Adrian Presentacion. Company Commander, Cadet Captain Bernard Tizon. Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Jonaquin Ohenar. First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet Provincial Secretary Platoon Leader Cadet School Head Mr. Guillermo Ohenar. CAT Facilitator Commander Mr. Manuel Calvario. Major's Trainer Ms. Catherine Frias. DBC DLC Band Trainer Mr. Enrico Hardin. Mr. Mark Dinos. Tison Assistant CAT Facilitator Mr. Eric Corderis, Assistant DBC DLC Trainer. Mrs. Rose Ann Pacal, Assistant Majorette Trainer. Entry number 6, Federico P. Condat, National High School, CAT-1, Maangas, Presentasyon, Camarines Sur.